Sorry. Once more. Hello.
True.
Okay.
Because
Pooja
night
says-
you're sleeping, you're short. Morning you're standing, you're tall.
I'll say false.
Well, there is a lot.
I was waiting to see if she'll give the answer first this time.
That's both of
I
you
can
were
go
thinking.
against it.
Okay. You have an
I
answer?
never tried making electricity with gold. So
Put
I
your
don't
hand in the
know.
socket.
हम दोनों ही कंडम थे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है.
Okay. Hello. Welcome to All in a Game. I'm Nupur.
I'm Pooja.
And I'm Ramya.
All right. We have Pooja and Ramya today for our today's quiz. So, are you guys ready for today's quiz?
Yes.
All right. So, this is a first time where both of them are playing against each other. Let's see who fares better.
All the best.
All right. So, let me tell you guys what today's quiz is about. So, today's quiz is I will be giving you statements and you have to tell me if that particular statement is true or false. That's all. Okay? Very, very simple. If for each correct answer you get 1 point, there'll be a bonus question at the end which gives you 2 points. All right? Okay. So, let's begin the quiz between Pooja and Ramya. All right. True or false? It is. The first one is lightning never strikes in the same place twice. True or false?
True.
Okay, she says true. What do you say?
False.
False. All right. Okay, it is false because lightning can't strike in the same place twice. There is no rule that it won't strike in the same place again. All right. Okay. So you got the hang of it, right? So I'll be giving statements like these. You have to guess if it's true or false. All right. The next one is the Amazon is the longest river in the world. True or false?
False.
All right. Okay. Both together say false. Why do you guys say false?
Nile it is.
Okay. So 6,400 kilometers is Amazon River. 6,650 approximately is Nile. So that is the difference between the Amazon and the Nile. Okay. So the Amazon is a close second to Nile. All right. Let's go to the next one. Camels store water in their humps.
True.
True or false? True, you said. All right. Do you want to give an answer to this? Or you want to let it go?
False.
False. Why do you say false?
Maybe it's their stomach where they store water.
Okay. And why did you say true?
Because I've read about it.
Okay. I guess wherever you've read it is wrong, probably because camels store fat in their humps, not water. So it's a myth that, a lot of people think that way, or, okay, acha, the humps are, where they store water. No, it's not there. It's fat that they store in their humps. All right. So, yes, it is true. All right. The next one. The Great Wall of China can be seen from space. True. or false? True. Okay. Ramya says true. Pooja, do you agree with Ramya?
I guess. True.
True? Yes. Okay, so both of them are saying true. What do you guys think it is? Sorry. What do you guys think it is? It's false. No, it is a common myth that it is visible from space through the naked eye. No, you will require some kind of equipment to be able to see the Great Wall of China from space. So, no, it's false. None of you get it. Let's go to the next one. All right. Humans can survive without oxygen for up to an hour. True or false? Ooh, so much of thought.
False.
Okay, Ramya says false. Do you agree with Ramya?
मर ही जाएंगे. False.
Okay, it is false. Yes, because humans cannot survive without oxygen for more than a couple of minutes. That's the maximum they can be without oxygen.
I was waiting to see if she'll give the answer first this time.
So that's both of you
I
were
can go
thinking.
against it.
Okay, all right. Next one. Okay, a group of crows is called a murder.
True.
or false?
True.
No idea.
Okay, Pooja is not going for it.
False.
She says it's false. Ramya is very confident and says it's true. You read this one somewhere?
Swara's textbook.
Okay, so this has to be correct. But she has read it in a school textbook. Yes, a group of crows is indeed called a murder. The reason being because of their nature. Because they kill to eat. So when they come together, it's called a murder. That's how the term came in. All right. Okay, let's go to the next one. Gold is a good conductor of electricity. True or false?
False.
Okay, Ramya says false. Do you have an
I
answer?
never tried making electricity with gold. So
Put
I
your
don't
hand in the
know.
socket.
Yeah, try.
Let's try.
Wear a gold ring and go put your hand in the
False.
socket, you'll know. Okay, and Ramya also said false, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Both of you are wrong. It is true. Gold is an excellent conductor of electricity and it comes right after silver and copper. So silver is also good. Copper pipes you would have seen we used for the ACs and all of that. So yes. So gold is also a very good
Copper I
conductor
knew.
of electricity.
I didn't know about gold.
Yes, silver as well. Silver is also a very good conductor of electricity. Okay. Next one. In the English language, no word rhymes with the word orange. No words rhymes with the word orange. True or false?
Now I need a dictionary.
You can just think.
False.
Try saying a few words. Okay, Pooja says false.
I'll say false too.
Okay. I did give you guys a clue. So try thinking of words.
Strange.
It is
orange.
true. It is true. Orange.
I think both of us are only landing with 2 points.
Yeah.
This quiz.
So true or false? I'm giving you options also in this one, guys.
There's no
Come on.
option.
अरे true or
false.
false? Option no.
अब ये क्या ऑरेंज अब बैठ के
50-50
कौन बैठ के
है ना
सोच रहा है
इसमें।
इतनी बड़ी है इतने
Which is the
सारे
word that rhymes
दुनिया
with
में
There's no word that rhymes with orange. That's what I said. So it's
That's
true.
what I said.
So it's
Oh
true.
my God.
Okay, let's go to the next one. The 100 Years' War lasted exactly 100 years. True or false?
ट्रू ही होगा 100 years तो 100 years ही होगा ट्रू
Okay, Pooja says
Maybe a
true.
few days here and there, I'd say.
false
So false or true?
False. I'm thinking.
Okay. It is false. It lasted 116 years, not few days, few years.
Okay.
So it is 116 years it lasted. Between England and France, the 100 Years' War was fought. All right. Okay.
so much time
Yeah. Then it was from 1337 to 1453. How many years they were fighting?
बेचारे बैटलफील्ड पे ही बुढ़ा के मर गए होंगे कितने लोग
Generation. They would have fought for generations. Acha, he's gone. His son is coming. He's gone. His son is
पैदा हो रहा है
coming.
तू वीर है
Yeah. Okay, let's go to the next one. When the two numbers on opposite sides of a dice are added together, it always equals 7. True or false? Opposite sides of a dice, when they are added together, it always equals to 7. True or false? Dice is something we use so regularly to play.
True.
Okay, Ramya says true. Pooja का maths थोड़ा weak है, थोड़ा slow in
कहाँ
mathematics.
देखना
की
पड़ेगा
बात नहीं
1
है।
2 3 वैसा
Dice
डाइस
देखो।
देखना पड़ेगा अच्छा ये तो रखा है
अरे हाँ.
You can't see the other side.
वहाँ
So yeah, I do have a dice pen
तो
stand right
छह
there, which
है।
they are trying to calculate
3 हुआ
with.
तो 7 है इसके पास 5 हुआ तो 7 हो सकता अगर उधर 3 हुआ
Okay, very quickly now. True or false? 3, 2.
फॉल्स
Okay. She said false. She said true. Let me show it to you guys. Pass the dice.
पीछे क्या
True.
था 4 के पीछे क्या था
दिखा रही है, रख. So, like I said, it equals to 7. This was the stand that they were looking at. So this is 5, you can see. This is 2, which equals to 7.
7.
This is 4, you see. This is 3, equals to
correct.
7.
6
This is 6, you see. And this is my pen stand here, 1, equals to 7. So yes, Ramya is right. It is true. All right. Let's go to the next one. Okay. A kilogram of lead is heavier than a kilogram of feathers. True or false?
वेट और ड्राई
Either ways. A kilogram of lead is equal to a kilogram of feathers in weight. True or false?
Wait.
एक सेकेंड अ किलोग्राम ऑफ लेड इज मोर देन
Is equal to
Is equal to a.
is equal to sorry, a kilogram of lead is heavier than a kilogram of feathers.
false
Okay,
False.
great. You also say
False.
false. Why do you guys say false?
because
It's
lead is much
Feathers will
lighter
be so many, and lead will be made.
lead is much lighter
Lead is lighter. That is why you're saying false.
1 kilogram. Depends on the quantity. No.
it's not the quantity it's the weight no if it
I
is
hope my
lighter
maths teacher doesn't see this.
Okay, it
lead
is.
is lighter
Both of you said false, so I will give you the point. It is false, but your logic was wrong. At the end of it all, it is a kilogram of lead is heavier than a kilogram of feathers. No, it is a kilogram. So they
what I
are
said.
equal. Yes, that's what I'm saying. False is correct.
Correct only.
False is correct. They are equal. So it doesn't matter how many feathers you're keeping. It is at the end of it all 1 kilogram only. So 1 kilogram is 1 kilogram. All right. So they both weigh the same. Lead is not heavier than feathers. They are right. Okay. The next one. A lion's roar can be heard up to 8 kilometers away. True or false? A lion's roar.
True.
True. Yeah, we are all lions. Our roars are heard till far. Yes, it is true that up to approximately 8 kilometers you can hear a lion's roar.
I'm sure you can hear me yell. I'm a Leo. I'm a Leo, and if I'm yelling downstairs, you can definitely hear me.
Yeah.
My husband is one.
Yeah, so there, my husband is one. We have too many Leos around here. All right, let's go to the next one. A little tricky, this one. The black box in a plane is black in color. True or false?
False.
False.
What color is it?
Red.
I don't know, but I know it's not.
Red.
It's just called.
Okay, she's close. The answer is false, but it is orange in color. So basically, why is it then called a black box? You may ask. The reason being, in the earlier days, the black box was black, but then slowly, when there were crashes that were happening, it was becoming difficult to find the box. So to make it easier to find the box, they painted it orange, but the term remained black box. That's why it's called black
Orange
box.
is the new black.
Yeah, kinda. You can say that. All right. Okay, let's go to the next one. There are two parts of the human body that cannot heal themselves. Sorry. There are two parts of the human body that cannot heal themselves. Is this true or false? So most of the human body can heal itself. If we get hurt, it gets fine. The the bones regenerate.
एक
Everything.
तो मैं सोच सकती हूँ दूसरा
Wait, can you repeat the question before I say true or false?
There are two parts of the human body that cannot heal itself or themselves. True or false?
True.
Okay, tell me the two.
Bone and heart, I guess.
No,
Bones get healed. No, that's how fractures get healed.
I think kidneys is one.
Heart होगा एक. Heart should be one.
Okay, both of you are.
Heart fail हो गया तो कैसे heal करेगा अपने
both
आप
of
को? मर ही
you
जाएगा आदमी.
Heart को कैसे revive करते हैं? शॉक देके रिवाइव करते हैं ना.
और नहीं हुआ
heal
तो
हो
मर ही
जाता है
गया ना.
वो नहीं हुआ तो, but it can be healed. No, ऐसे तो once the bones are broken also fully.
जबान.
जबान कर दी तो भी heal हो जाता है.
Tongue.
Okay.
तो दो ना बाबे छुपकली की पूछ दो ना.
The answer is false. It is not true. There is only one, which is the tooth. The tooth enamel. Once your tooth are broken, they only have to be replaced. All
क्यों
right.
आता रहता है बचपन में बच्चों के तो
That
टूटते
is
फिर
tooth
दूसरी
के
बार
बाद,
आता है
the
ना.
adult's tooth. Okay, so you're talking about the tooth. So that is the only part of that. It doesn't heal. It regrows.
So it's not two.
It
it's
is not
one.
healing. There is
That's
only
why
one.
we lost the mark.
Exactly. It is only one, and that one is your tooth. All right. Okay. Let's go to the next one. The Caesar salad was invented in France. True or false?
सीजर का था. सीजर फ्रांस का था क्या?
It was invented in the Caesar salad. Caesar salad was invented.
सीजर फ्रांस का था? नहीं इंग्लैंड
It's
का था
false.
शायद.
I'll say it's false. Don't ask me explanation. I'm just saying false. I'm
सीजर
guessing.
का था.
Okay, Ramya is guessing false. Pooja is still calculating.
शेक्सपियर. इंग्लैंड का था. फ्रांस का था. इटली का था. Caesar salad was not made in France. Was not made in France.
Was made in France.
Caesar salad was invented in France. True or false?
No.
Quickly.
Caesar कहाँ का था?
False. False.
True.
Okay, she says true after so much of calculation, and she said false. Wild guess. So her wild guess is right. It is false.
England.
It was invented in Mexico in 1920s. The person who invented it, his name was Caesar Cardini, an Italian chef. All
वही
right.
मैंने कहा सीजर का था इटली तो मैंने कहा होगा.
So his name was Caesar. That is why it's called a Caesar salad, not because of Julius Caesar.
देखा तो
but
मैं
Shakespeare
जूलियस
वाला
सीजर
Caesar.
इटली का था हाँ तो होगा ही ऐसा मैंने
All right. Okay. We have now arrived on the bonus question. I don't know where you guys stand.
हम तो
right
हमें
now.
भी नहीं पता.
So let's see who gets this one. Okay. This is slightly tricky. Okay. A very weird statement.
Weren't
Let's see
the
who
others
gets
also?
it. Okay. Let's go to this one. You're shorter at night than you are in the morning. As in human beings. When I say you are, it means human beings. Us. we are shorter at night than we are in the morning. Is
Funny that
this
you're asking
true
me
or
this
false?
question. But yeah, okay.
Ramya's mind was
True.
I am shorter in the morning also.
True.
Okay.
Because
Pooja
night
says-
you're sleeping.
Huh.
You're short. Morning you're standing. You're tall.
I'll say false.
Well, there is no law. Matlab,
I'll say false.
how do you think of such logic? Okay. Okay, you are
True.
saying false.
Body shrinks when you're sleeping. When you're
Please, I
awake,
want to be taller, how much ever I am all the time. But that is wanting.
Okay, so she says false, she says true. It is weird guesses by both of them for sure because they don't know. Even I didn't know this one until I made the question. So it is true. We become slightly taller, approximately 1.5 to 2 centimeters in the morning because of the shrinking, or what do you say, the compression
Logic.
of our backbone. Okay, so it compresses. So that's when we become a little shorter in the night, and when we wake up in the morning, it stretches again. So we become taller in the morning. So that's where it goes, the spinal discs and the cartilage. That is what it is. All right.
Okay.
So this is true. Very weird, but true. Yes. All right. Before I announce the winner for today's quiz, which I don't know who is, let me give you the viewers' question. So, as all the weird statements I gave, there's one more coming up for you guys. Leave in the comments if it is true or false. Okay. There are 5 different blood types. There are 5 different blood types. True or false? She's already counting. You guys also count and leave it in the comments. If you guys give the correct answer, you might just be a random winner and stand a chance to win a gift from All in a Game. All right, it's now time to announce today's winner. And the winner for today's quiz is it's a
Well
tie.
played.
Well tied. Well tied.
Well tied, really.
Well tied. Good one.
Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this quiz today and learned a lot of new stuff, weird realities.
weird.
Very, very weird realities. Yes, so if you guys did learn and enjoy, do subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, stay updated on all our regular quizzes and videos. Until then, true or false, we are saying bye.